Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're making a very delicious appetizer recipe, which is also very unique. Cheesy spring roll. Let's get started. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in a heated pan and then add 1 pound of minced chicken. Give it a quick stir before we add the seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt as per your taste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Stir it until there is no water left. Once the water dries up, turn the stove off. Now we will move on to making the roll. First we will make the mixture for sticking the roll. Take 1 tablespoon of flour and a little bit of water. Make a slight thick paste. Now take spring roll sheets. We are using the same ones that we used for our cabbage roll recipe. Take the chicken, add it to the roll, and place a mozzarella cheese stick on top of it and make a roll like this. The rolls are ready. You can deep fry them until golden brown, or you can air fry them. The delicious cheesy spring roll are ready to be served and enjoyed. This is a perfect appetizer for your tea parties, for your snack time. Try this recipe. Let us know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our coming up videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.